Hello, Mrs. Beth here with your instructions for your activity today. Our class plan looks really short. This is what you're gonna do. First, you're gonna report your attendance. Then you're gonna find this video that I'm recording. Then you're gonna go to this photo. In this photo, you are going to record the answer to the question, ¿Y tu amigo cómo es? That means you're gonna talk about one of your friends. You say something about your friend. You're going to use the adjectives to describe them. You're going to follow the model. So I put an example here. You listen to the example, and then you try to do the same about your friend. Because in some of the activities, you just record about, you just repeat what other people say, but you are going to do your own. So your friend is not like the other person's friend. Okay? So we're going to do that. And then you're going to work on this videohistoria. When you click here in videohistoria, it's going to take you to this videohistoria. As usual, you're going to put your last name, first name. Remember, I give you points for that, for getting that right and for getting the class right too. So that takes you to the second part. In the second part, it says antes de ver el video. So you're going to just check off some words that describe you. So let's say that we just choose the ones that describe you. Okay. Now, in the second part, the third part, you have the video already. So I embedded the video here so you can see, watch the video, and then answer the questions. I also gave you a word bank. So you're going to take one word from the word bank to complete. You have to type the word right here. You need to type, so you need to be very careful that you are typing the words exactly like they are here, or it's going to mark you wrong. So please be careful, and all this is based on the video. So you need to watch the video and then answer this, complete these questions. So I'll pause my video for a minute and fill in the answer so I can move to the next section. Section 3, no, section 4, sorry. So the next section is section 4. In this one, you find the email that Pedro sends out. And what you're going to do is you're going to type the answer to complete. You're going to read this, and based on the video, I put the video here again in case that you need it. So based on the video, what you see in the video, what you listen in the video, and what you have here, you're going to complete this. You have 5 of these questions, no, 6. You have 6 of these questions. So let's say you complete this one. Once again, I pause to answer the questions so I can move to the next question. And that takes us to our 4th and last question. In this question, you're going to follow this example to type 4 sentences using these adjectives that you have here. So you're just going to talk about somebody. So you can talk about your friend. So let's say Johnny is sociable. That's just an example. You have to type 4 sentences, and then you're going to click submit. Once you submit, I will receive your answers. You will receive your score, and that will be all that you have to do today. So please work on this activity and let me know if you have any questions. As usual, I'll be glad to help you. I'll see you later. Hasta pronto.